I'm only one call away. I'll be there to save the day. Superman got enough then on me. I'm only one call away. Call me baby if you need me. I just wanna give you love. Come on, come on, come on. Reaching out to you, so take a chance. No matter where you go, you know you're not alone. I'm only one call away. I'll be there to save the day. Superman got enough then on me. I'm only one call away. Come along with me and don't be scared. I just wanna set you free. Come on, come on, come on. You and me can make it anywhere. No matter where you go, you know you're not alone. I'm only one call away. I'll be there to save the day. Superman got enough then on me. I'm only one. I'm only one call away. I'll be there to save the day. Superman got enough then on me. I'm only one call away. I'm only one call away.
Hey, Philip, Espiritu! Grabe naman, nagkagulo ang buong arena dahil sa iyo, bro.
Ibang klase, Ludo Boy.
Hi, bro. Great job. Pakinggan natin kung ano masasabi ng ating judges, starting with Vice.
Kurt! Honestly, you don't have the most powerful vocals among the singers who joined this competition this season. Pero what makes it spectacular is your charm and your connection to your audience. Diba? Hanga ako sa'yo. Although hindi ako bilib na bilib, pero hanga ako sa'yo. At hindi rin ako magtataka kung maraming boboto sa'yo kasi ang cute na cute ka sa'yo at kamukha mo si Daniel Padilla.
Maraming salamat, Judge Robin.
Kurt, napaka-refreshing mo, iho. Pagka kumakanta ka, napapaindak kami. At naniniwala ako na matutupad na rin ang pangarap ko na magkaroon ng Elvis Presley ang Pilipinas. Ang galing mo.
Thank you very much, Sir Robin. Sir FMG.
The last time you performed, I said you're the Philippines Justin Bieber.
Yes.
Tonight, you are Daniel Padilla.
Thank you po, sir. Thank you very much, boss. Judge Angel.
Alam mo, agree ako sinabi ni Vice eh. Kapag charm lang talaga ng labanan, ikaw yun. Nasa iyo talaga yung charm dito. At kung edad lang kita yun, ako baka inaligaw kita dyan. Pero ano, grabe, iba yung, kinilig ako, inayaman ko doon. Iba yung dating mo sa stage, napakasimple mo sa backstage. Pero pag nandito ka sa stage, nilalamon mo lahat. Para wala kang ibang pinipiligan, kundi ikaw lang. Ang galing-galing mo mag-perform talaga.
Maraming salamat, Judge Angel.